This poor guy. Look at what I got. Another Stouffer's leftover macaroni and cheese hack. Leftover Stouffer's macaroni and cheese. Leftover pulled pork from last weekend. It's been in the freezer. I'm going to put some of this spray oil down. I got this thing nice and warm. It's chilly and windy today, so we're going to do the best we can. So this is my plan. Let me get this on here. This is my plan. We're going to warm up the macaroni and cheese on the Blackstone and the pork. Okay. Waste not, want not. That's what they say. Honey? Thank you.
Can I just hold it?
Well, you can throw it in the garbage. We don't need it.
Okay.
Yeah. I put the canola oil down there. This is the spray stuff. Now look at Tori, show them. I got a chimney full of charcoal over there. Just Kingsford briquettes. So this is my plan. We're going to warm both of these up on the Blackstone. The pork and the macaroni and cheese. I'm going to put it in that. Yeah, it's a cast iron. It's brand new. It's pre-seasoned. I got it from my mom. And I'm gonna put everything in there, and I'm gonna put some cheese on it, and I'm gonna put it on the Weber. And I didn't know this was a thing. Pulled pork mac and cheese is a thing. Of course, I looked it up on YouTube. Sorry about the sniffles. Let's get this out here, shall we? Yeah. That's a lot of pork. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I've never eaten it. I've never made it. Honey, you take that for me?
Uh-huh.
Thanks. We got the dogs out here. We got Tori out here today. It's Saturday, almost noon. Yeah, it's still a little frozen, but that's okay. So, yeah, so what I'm thinking about doing, right? Wow, that's a lot of pork. I didn't think I had that much left over. That'll be all right. Instead of mixing it all in together, I'm thinking about like layering it. Okay? So just putting the mac and cheese on the bottom of that and putting the pork on top. But I don't know if that's too much pork now that I look at it. Well, there's only one way to find out. So typical poor guy, not poor guy with a Blackstone anymore, poor guy outdoor cooking. Why? Because of that mostly, and because of that Weber and other little grills that you don't see right now because they're in the garage. Whoops. So I figured, why not change the name? It wasn't that big of a change. A lot of people might not even notice it. The pork is warming up very nicely. I want to kind of get this in, kind of bite-sized pieces. We made this last week. If you didn't see this video, I did my first, I made pork butt, but the first cook on the Oklahoma Joe. Just fantastic. Oklahoma Joe's Highland. And I was thinking, okay, we're going to have leftovers. What should we do? When I have other Stouffer's macaroni and cheese leftover videos, I do. Say what, bro?
Stouffer's to sponsor us.
Yeah, Stouffer's, step it up. Poor guy. I got like, I don't know, 800 something subscribers now. I mean, I know I'm a slacker, but some people like watching my stuff, I guess.
I do.
Dawn said she watches it, even though she never comments or anything. See this, by the way, Dawn got me this, I don't know, for Father's Day or my birthday or something. And I don't really like to spend a lot of money on stuff, so she buys it for me. This is great. I mean, it's made by Blackstone, but it scrapes and lifts and separates. And look at my stickers. Well, they're going to be upside down on that, I guess, huh? Oh, it's smelling good. You smell the macaroni and cheese getting crispy and the pork still got that smoky aroma. Oh, I think this is going to be a hit.
It smells really good.
Yeah, it sure does. Let's take this like this here. This pork is not raw. It's been cooked. I'll try to shred this up a little bit better. See how they do that? This is professional right there. Watch this. See? I know it. Yeah. Thank you, honey. She's a good supporter of mine. Is that done? Do you think I should add barbecue sauce to the pork before? No.
No.
Okay. Oh, that looks good. That looks really good. All right, I'll tell you what, to keep the video a little bit shorter than, a half an hour, we're going to continue to cook this up. I'm going to just go ahead and put some of this in the bottom because it's mac and cheese and it's full of starch and stuff. And then we'll put the macaroni cheese on top of that, then the pork, and then I got some pepper jack cheese over there next to my beer. Whoops. And I'm gonna sprinkle some pepper jack cheese on top, and I'm gonna stick it in that Weber, and we're gonna let it bake to a bubbly, cheesy goodness. I think. I don't know. What's the worst? Okay, we got a little screwed up. So I was saying, what's the worst that can happen? Macaroni and cheese, pulled pork, in the cast iron, and baked to a cheesy goodness, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, that's it. When we come back, we'll have that loaded up, and we'll stick it on the Weber. Peace. There it is. We're going to do some pepper jack. I'm not sure why I chose pepper jack. I think I just wanted to get a little bit of spice in there, whether or not, I mean, this is great value, so it's probably not going to be that big of a deal. There's the Weber. It's ready to go. Basically, I just wanted to bake in there like you would, in an oven. And I could have used the Oklahoma Joe for this, but, well, let's just use all the freaking cheese. I want to leave a little bit of the pork uncovered with cheese. So that's my plan. Let's go ahead and put this on here. Not right over the coals. And we'll do a little indirect heat. Open that up. Let's see what happens. I don't freaking know. That's how we do it. That's how poor guy does it. Whoops. First time cooks. Never did it before. And so it may be terrible. It may be delicious. I'm sure it'll be delicious. When we come back, I'm going to bring this in the house and we're going to taste it. Peace. Love it. Hi. That's what it looks like. It looks good. It smells divine. It was on the Weber for 20 minutes maybe. I don't know what the temperature of this was. We got some barbecue sauce. I was going to put it on, but we'll put it on individually. Oh, yeah. Is that good enough for you?
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at the cheesy. Oh, yeah. Oh, baked on there. That was the goal. Let's see if I can get it out without making a bloody mess. That good for you?
Yeah.
Aiden, would you like more pork or more mac and cheese? Everyone's going to taste it. Excuse the sound. Aiden?
You didn't ask if it was good enough?
Nah. It's good enough for you. You're not picky. Well, that's not good enough for me. You get a little bit more pork and a little bit more crisp. Is anyone going to put barbecue sauce on?
I did.
I won't.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of, we just got Head Country Sweet and Sticky. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hold on a second. Right
Oh, we already did it.
I know, I got to get a spoonful.
That is good.
I like it a lot.
That's actually really good.
It's hot.
Aiden, it's really good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Can you get some in your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't like this.
It's so
The
cheesy.
barbecue, yeah, the cheese is melting and falling everywhere. Please excuse me. Okay, well, whatever.
That's really good.
Nope. Un momento, my mouth is full. Yeah, I'm liking it a lot. This is a great leftover recipe. Why throw it out when you can eat it? The barbecue sauce adds a lot. I was surprised.
It does.
Boy, that's a hit.
Yeah, that's really
We'll do
good.
that again. All right, that's what we got for you. Leftover Stouffer's macaroni and cheese. Leftover smoked pulled pork from last weekend. Pepper jack cheese. And the cast iron finished off on the Weber. Yeah, buddy. That's all I gotta say. Delicious. Peace.